Ladies and gentlemen, gather round for today. I have a tale to share that's more thrilling than stumbling upon a penguin in your freezer. Yes, I speak of none other than the legendary Toyota Supra MK4. Picture this: the 90s, a time of grunge, peculiar fashion choices, and the dawn of the mighty Supra. Underneath its sleek exterior lies a powerhouse, a 2JZ GTE engine, a marvel of Japanese engineering that delivers power with the finesse of a sumo wrestler performing ballet. Let's delve into the numbers, shall we? Hold on to your hats because this is where it gets spicy. With approximately 320 horsepower at its disposal, the Supra Mark IV can catapult you to 60 miles per hour quicker than you can utter, "Where's my driving license gone?" No, the handling. It's akin to corralling a wild stallion after it's guzzled a gallon of Red Bull. But fear not, for it obeys your commands with the loyalty of a Labrador, albeit one with a serious case of ADHD. Ah, but there's more to this story. We can't discuss the Supra Mark IV without mentioning its stint in the limelight of the Fast and Furious franchise. Yes, those films that taught us that speed, explosions, and questionable dialogue can solve any problem. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. The Toyota Supra Mark IV, a car so iconic that it could make James Bond envious and Vin Diesel reconsider his career choices. It's fast, it's furious, and driving one will etch a grin on your face wider than a kid in a candy store. So, seize the wheel, unleash the power, and I promise you'll never see a speed limit sign the same way again.